It was a narrow miss for you, but I got it.
आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और इसने पर मैं हूँ माटुंगा ईस्ट रेलवे स्टेशन के बाहर और सोच रहा हूँ कि इस जगह जाऊँ जहाँ मैं पहले बार भी गया हूँ।
Guess what? मैं देख रहा हूँ किसी को, somebody that I know. खाने में क्या है?
आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए खाने में क्या है।
Excuse me. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Oh my God.
Just meeting Kunal. How are we?
खाने की बात हुई and see who's come.
क्या बात कर? खाने की बात हो रही है?
खाने की बात हो रही थी।
Do you do stuff around food?
I don't know, but I've been trying to follow you and I've been trying to do exactly what you do, emulate you. आप क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ?
मैं ऐसे ही घूमता खामता रहता हूँ यार। मैं कहीं ना
कैमरा लेके घूमते हो?
अरे हाँ, ये कैमरा बड़ी कमाल की चीज़ है। I keep talking to the camera.
हाँ.
And my friend Swapnil Sonavane said you speak into the camera. Actors never supposed to speak, look into the camera.
Never supposed to look.
Yeah, but we do it here.
तो मैं सोच रहा था कि यहाँ सामने ही एक रेस्टोरेंट है आदेश्वरी बिरयानी करके।
बिरयानी?
Yeah, Adeshwari, it's a South Indian place, and you get a lot of non-veg South Indian food.
You know what? Do you remember Godfather?
Yes.
And there's a particular line when he said, I gave him an offer he could not refuse.
Yes.
This is one such offer.
This is one of this.
I cannot refuse it.
Shall we go?
Yeah, bhai. That looks like a place.
About 2 years ago, मैंने आकर यहाँ शूट किया
Okay.
और सोचा कि यहाँ जाएंगे वापस।
चलो,
चले?
चलते हैं।
चलते
मजा
हैं।
आएगा, दोनों साथी माटुंगा में। First time for me. Come, let's do it. Wow, totally in the zone.
धीरे धीरे
हाँ, बिना गिरे
बिना
आगे बढ़ो।
गिरे क्योंकि
बिना गिरे आगे बढ़ो। नमस्कार। नमस्कार। कैसे? वाह। बिना किसी गाड़ी को मिलके क्रॉस करते हैं। Before any car or any vehicle meets us.
Absolutely.
आराम से जान मत दो, शॉट के लिए जान मत दो। कोई शॉट के लिए जान नहीं देगा। वैसे डॉक्टर जैन का ऑफिस पास ही है।
बाजू ही विनोद जैन क्लिनिक है यहाँ।
नमस्कार मैम।
My name is Smriti Shetty.
स्मृति
Yeah.
शेट्टी। वाह।
So this place serves you authentic South Indian non-veg food. Okay? We are known for our biryanis.
Ah, that's going to be interesting. Looking forward to it.
Thank you.
क्या बात है, वाह।
Look at that. मेन्यू देख के मुंह में पानी आ जाता है ना।
Writings on the wall, all the tasty things are right here. And what a lot of variety, yaar.
Yes, absolutely.
Chettinad, that's I'm in Tamil Nadu, Nellore,
Kakinad.
Kakinad, we are there.
Yeah.
Guntur,
गुंटूर आंध्र रायलसीमा।
वाह।
Good.
Let's eat.
बैठ जाए थोड़े गप्पे शप्पे करें।
We are currently in Matunga.
Okay.
So Matunga is especially known for the vegetarian cuisine.
Yeah.
So we tried getting non-veg cuisine to Matunga.
Got it.
That was a big dare that we took.
All right.
But successfully passed in it.
Superb.
By God's grace, the response has been good. So we are also upgrading right now.
Fantastic. Looking forward. चलो, क्या है भाई? अरे वाह, जबरदस्त। मैं जब किचन में आता हूँ ना, एक अलग ही मजा आता है, टोटली जोन में होता है। ये क्या बन रहा है?
वेज दालचा।
वेज दालचा।
हाँ।
अरे वाह।
चिकन रॉयलसीमा ड्राई।
चिकन रायलसीमा। इसमें तो कमाल की मिर्ची होगी ना?
इसमें उतना तीखा नहीं है।
अच्छा, उतना तीखा नहीं है। अच्छा, सुपर, फैंटास्टिक।
आंध्रा चिकन बिरयानी है।
आंध्रा चिकन बिरयानी, जबरदस्त। तो आज आपके हाथ का खाएंगे हम। जरूर, क्या बात है, वंडरफुल।
All meals are served in banana leaf.
वाह, कैसे हुजूर, पूरी तैयारी? Really loving the work that you do.
Oh, thank you so much.
Wonderful,
I
wonderful.
think it's the best job in the world.
Best job in the world.
Best job in the world. Which both you and I are doing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And the size doesn't matter.
What size? What size?
What size?
Where? What size?
Superb. So आज हम लोग we're going to be chatting a bit and then eating a lot.
Eating a lot?
Yes.
Eating a lot?
So looking forward to that.
Absolutely.
Let's set the ball rolling.
Absolutely.
आते हुए, वाह वाह वाह. Superb. We are now in the business of storytelling.
Ashish,
Superb.
you've been an actor.
Yeah.
You've been a stand-up.
Yep.
You're doing motivational stuff.
Yeah.
You've acted in over 300 films
Yeah.
in over 11 languages.
Yes.
But boss, this is the best job you've done. Eating.
Yeah.
Do you not agree with me?
बस बचपन से यार,
बचपन से?
एक ही चीज का बहुत प्यार था कि आई जस्ट लव ईटिंग. आई डिस्कवर्ड यार कि खाना और बातचीत दोनों ही मुझे बहुत पसंद है. आई टर्न्ड इट इनटू अ पार्ट टाइम प्रोफेशन, नॉट बैड.
मेरा तो फुल टाइम प्रोफेशन हो गया है. On that note, at the present, I think we should order the food so that by the time we are deep into our conversation, the food comes.
अरे कमाल यार, वो खाने की बात कर रहे हो, चलो खा लेते
खाने
हैं.
की बात है. अभी यहाँ आए हो, क्या करें अभी खाने? आप
यार.
बोलो क्या खाएंगे हम लोग?
यार
बिरयानी तो
बताओ
खानी
यार,
है.
जो
okay?
हाँ, जो जो इनकी स्पेशलिटी है.
Okay. Biryani
Tough question.
in every form is my favorite.
है ना?
In any form.
I love to make people fight over biryani if they allow me to taste it.
I am part of your
हर
team.
जगह की बिरयानी कमा रहे
हाँ,
हैं, है
हाँ.
ना? I don't even mind when some pulaus are called biryani. मतलब और हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. What's in the name?
खिलाओ.
Truly what's in the name?
मटन सूखा ट्राई करते हैं.
बहुत जरूरी है. क्या क्या है इनसे पूछने पहले.
हाँ, हमें
Passionately
बिरयानी
कुछ order.
चाहिए, कुछ सूखा चाहिए, एक कुछ ग्रेवी चाहिए जो हम परोठा के साथ खाएं.
I operate with these kind of
So
cameras.
you're operating with 2 cameras,
Three
and
cameras.
you're directing the 3rd camera. over
Yeah, it is the audience.
there. It is the audience, yes.
And the
अरे
food is
वाह.
here.
मटन बिरयानी,
This is totally in the zone, भाईगा.
गुंटूर चिकन.
Guntur chicken and this
This is कुत्तू पराठा.
कुत्तू पराठा.
मटन सुक्का.
मटन सुक्का. और हम कोई डिस्कशन नहीं करेंगे कौन कहाँ की बिरयानी अच्छी है. हम सब जगह की बिरयानी खाते हैं. Biggest food show in the country. Let's do it. Go, let's go. Yay!
Food is here.
Food is here.
So shall we start from here?
बहुत जरूरी है.
सूखा मटन.
मटन बिरयानी.
मटन बिरयानी.
May I have the honor of serving you?
Please.
हाँ.
Thank you so much.
क्या बात है. थोड़ा थोड़ा खा देंगे जिससे काफी कुछ खा पाए.
बस.
थोड़ा थोड़ा ही खाते हैं. हाँ.
हाँ. वो दूसरा परोठा भी आ रहा है क्या? ये
हाँ.
this is the परोठा with अंडा in it.
क्या बात है. This suka mutton has got a
Nice,
good share of chili in it.
So, Ashish, you are half Mallu, no?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Father is a Malayali from Kerala. Mother is a Bengali from Rajasthan. No twist in that. I am born and still being brought up, but basically from Delhi. So we had a multi-cuisine on our plate. So मैं बहुत ही culturally agnostic हूँ.
Very good.
So even from food. So as a result, breakfast में हमारे घर में पोहा भी होता था. There used to be kanni from Kerala. There used to be parathas and all sorts of stuff. So I find myself culturally very comfortable wherever. Yep.
This is the flaky paratha to have.
मुँह में पानी आ रहा है. This is very
And
well
fish
made.
also, very nice.
Very well made, यार. Shall we try this?
Yeah, we should try it. At what time did you decide that you wanted to do this stuff with food?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
So again, this guy, gentleman here,
Ah.
Swapnil Sonavane, he's responsible for this. I discovered vlogging.
Okay.
I was watching something. I said, hey, listen, can this be done? And we bought a GoPro between the first lockdown and the second one. And I started telling stories with that. And around the same time, Swapnil, you know, and that was Swapnil without the headscarf. He wears a headscarf because he always thinks he has a bad head. So Swapnil that time said, you know that, एक reel बोल के चीज आई है. That was at the beginning of reel. So we went down to Bansi Vada Pav
Okay.
in Malad.
Okay.
He said, let's आप चलिए और खाते हैं वहाँ पे. So I had a vada pav and he filmed it. But you know,
And you posted it.
and he posted. And then I got it. So from very early on, Kunal, I have loved not just to eat, but when I eat, I praise people. तो मुझे याद है बचपन में ही लोग मुझे कहते हैं तेरे को खिला के सुख है,
हाँ,
तो तू खाता भी है और तारीफ भी करता है.
तारीफ भी करता है.
So I started doing that with my food, and that somehow worked, and so
Yeah.
so no design.
You're
to-
right.
So very different. Now this chicken, this is so much more placed. You know, you can kind of make out. ये थोड़ा मुझे generic लग रहा है.
Localized किया.
Localized किया है इन्होंने. But this mutton sukha is really very
Really
good.
good, yeah.
They have kept the authentic. Having said so, इसको localize जरूर किया है, लेकिन ये तंदूरी चिकन वाला नहीं है.
नहीं है.
हाँ. But बहुत बढ़िया.
Even if the color looks like that.
Yeah.
This is one of my favorite dishes. This
Okay.
kutu paratha.
I love the way it's made.
Also
Kunal.
because of that paratha, man. I just love paratha.
You love the paratha?
Right.
Okay. So you know the kotu paratha, there is a variation of this even in Bengal.
Oh, really?
So, yeah. So what is it called? It's called Hetai Parota, I think.
Okay.
So what they do is they take the paratha this very similar way
हाँ.
and they kind of just break it down. You know, granulate it. Uh-huh.
You think you know what I think where it comes from? It comes from what you do with 1 day old parathas. In
I would agree with you.
In Maharashtrian households, you take poli chi bhaji.
Acha.
Stale chapatis.
Uh-huh.
You tear them to pieces and put a tadka on it,
Uh-huh.
and poli chi bhaji होते हैं.
Oh.
There you go.
Very interesting. So my mother, जो हमारे यहाँ दाल बसता था, सब्जी बसती थी, जो दाल बसता था उसका 1-2 दिन बाद भी ना रोटी के अंदर डाल के कुछ बन जाता था, या कुछ सब्जी जो बनती थी that used to become fried rice. Nice. You know, actually what we are doing, you know, how I see it, लोग कह रहे हैं मैं अलग-अलग चीजें कर रहा हूँ. मैं दरअसल पता है क्या कर रहा हूँ? I discovered that I am not one recipe.
Okay.
एक रेसिपी था as an actor. Then I got, I'm also a speaker, also a traveler, also a vlogger. Now, I also do storytelling shows. You must come for one of my shows. It's called Kahani Baz.
I will come.
None of us is one recipe. We've got the
Personality.
ingredients and we can create many different recipes.
We are literally a small breed of people who are doing this. I know. There's a lot.
Small, good breed. Good breed.
I agree.
The rare good one.
We are the good one. बिरयानी आप सब करोगे
बिरयानी सब करिए भाई.
आप सब करो.
हाँ. जबरदस्त. ये खाते खाते बातें करने में अलग ही मजा है.
वही तो ना.
जो भी करना मेरे कैमरे को मत गिरते.
हाँ.
हाँ.
चलो.
Zabardast. But that's it. So tell me about one dear friend of yours whom I really love,
हाँ.
Cyrus.
Oh God, he's much younger than I am,
Okay.
but he auditioned me because he was already doing plays from the age of 14.
Okay. So he was a senior.
Yeah,
Okay,
senior
got
in
it.
theatre.
Yeah.
And we've all very.
Isn't that
yeah,
lovely?
Yeah.
And I have found him to be a great conversationalist.
Yeah. If he lets you talk,
But already having experienced me, you would know that I did speak when I was with him.
yeah, I did. Perfect, thank you. So I did a show on television for about 10 years called The Foodie
Uh-huh.
on Times Now.
Yeah.
This is exactly what I used to do: go and discover places to eat it. Yeah.
Was this? ये उसी टाइम पे था जब विनोद दुआ अपना शो करते थे उसके
Vinod
बाद.
Dua used to do it on NDTV.
Correct.
Okay, he's the god.
God,
Okay, he's the
yeah,
original.
yeah.
And then after a few years, when 2006, when Times Now was launched, they wanted to do some feature programming.
Okay.
And so they said, "Will you do this?" I was already writing food in the Bombay Times and in other art. I was a columnist.
All right. Okay.
So I started that. Then it had a 10-year run, and Mohit over there,
Okay.
who was my producer even then,
Okay.
had been pestering me saying, let's do YouTube, let's do YouTube. Now, you know, I come from a place where is the money? मैं अगर कैमरा के सामने खड़ा हो
Show
जाऊंगा,
me the money.
कैमरा के सामने खड़ा हो जाऊंगा तो तुम कौन पैसे देने वाला है? Here you're putting your own money and waiting. So it got delayed for about 3 years. By the time you could convince me,
Got it.
then I said, let's do it because this is where we are.
Right.
And I was dying to go out and explore places in any case. So this is what happened.
Wonderful. And so now you travel all over the country?
Travel over the country,
Wow.
do a lot of. I like doing small places.
Yeah.
And now, after 5 years of having done it, I'm starting a new bucket of content,
Okay.
which is going to just do high-end, fancy restaurants. Just to do my top
So
10.
if I may say,
But nothing compares to this. Nothing.
you know why I said
Uh-huh.
Because there's an amazing guy called HMMM who
Oh,
does that high-end
Oh, he
kind of.
does?
Yeah, he does.
Oh,
He's
I
amazing.
must check it out.
Very, very good. HMM. That's why I said.
HMM.
He does very, very good high-end stuff and wonderful. And what is the strength of your team, my friend?
So we are three co-founders,
Okay.
and this wonderful fellow is from my team. Also,
Lovely, lovely.
Rujul is there. Rujul
Okay.
is in my team. And we've got a couple of editors back in the office.
क्या बात है वाह 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 ये हुई ना बात and that's ladies and gentlemen my team member
My one and only team
Sapna
member.
Sonavare yes he's in charge of everything that we do
He's his mentor,
he's my mentor yes
your
absolutely
mentor,
yeah.
your guide,
Yeah.
and you're also social media manager and everything else.
everything all rolled into one
Okay, what do you think of the food?
I really
Tell
so
me.
okay now let me come to the biryani while we are
Yeah.
so this biryani is very interesting क्योंकि बिरयानी कह लो पुलाव कह लो the rice बहुत जबरदस्त फ्लेवर है
पहले तो बासमती नहीं है ये.
हाँ सबसे पहले तो हाँ ये कमाल किया
हाँ।
ये अच्छा किया उन्होंने और the meat has been so well cooked
Yeah.
और
Look at this.
इसमें the masala of the rice need not get into the mutton it's keeping a neutrality and I would imagine कि इसको आप किसी साग के साथ भी खेले it
Oh,
will
so it will taste
take
good,
that
yeah.
right but I really liked it and with this raita it's tasting very good
The quality of meat,
Yeah.
which is what you always suspect when you go to a small joint.
yes
Excellent.
yeah and the rice grain again
Slightly broken, smaller rice.
yes and they are not sticky they are not holding together it's been
Not
cooked well
idli नहीं हो रहा है उसका.
yeah
I have only one complaint about this meal. Is normally, whatever happens, the nalli comes into my plate. But this time the nalli has gone into his plate.
So let us celebrate it by having it in his presence.
Shameless. This is shameless. Shameless behavior.
And no joke. The marrow was amazing. It was a narrow miss for you, but I got it.
Before we wrap up, I
Yeah.
want to ask you this and be completely honest. No diplomatic answer.
Yeah,
Okay?
sorry, madam.
You've got so many professions.
Yeah.
I would say this is the best profession, if you can call it a profession. The food blogger thing.
Not being diplomatic at all. So restless that I am. I can't remain at one thing for too long. I love to do this
But you also
and that and that. So I am a restless soul and I found peace in my abilities to do much more. और मेरे ख्याल से I'm just grateful that मैं अपने आयामों को explore कर पा रहा हूँ, the aspects that I have. I love celebrating that with people. I call myself Ashish Unlimited.
superb. And the next time we will meet with you, Ashish Biryani,
Yes.
is with hopefully a new thing that you've done. कुछ
Look forward.
और आपने किया होगा.
Absolutely. और वो हम मिलेंगे एक और खाने के ऊपर.
Absolutely.
Because I really enjoyed
We will only
chatting
eat
with
over
you.
food.
Yes,
only
yes,
over
yes.
food
yes.
is when we'll meet.
तो कुणाल मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि I've been watching your show. In fact, just in front of me, I observed it from the very first episode of yours, and I have seen the way you have grown your channel, and it's extraordinary. This entire team of yours have done a wonderful job,
Thank you, sir. Thank
and
you, sir.
I want you to continue, keep growing, and let's add to the number of people who are celebrating India and food.
Absolutely.
बहुत बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत सारा
Thank you.
प्यार.
Thank you very much. Thank you for doing this. आते रहिए, खाते रहिए, और dessert है. पूछते रहिए खाने में क्या है. आप लाओ यार.
Yes, myself,
एक और प्लेट में एक मिठाई खानी बड़ी जरूरी है.
एक और प्लेट.
एक और plate.
एक और
That's the name of the new show, right?
That's the name of the
Wonderful.
show.
So don't miss एक और प्लेट। एक और प्लेट में ये मिठाई खाते हुए हम लोग इस शो को खत्म करते हैं।
खत्म करते हैं। गरम
ठीक
है,
हाँ।
ब्यूटीफुल।
ये मुझे क्यों लग रहा है ये मैसूर पाक है। मैसूर पाक है ना भाई?
Yes.
क्या बात है भाई साहब, ये जोन में एकदम। And you have to come for my show.
I will.
कहानी बाज
100%.
जरूर आना भाई।
Oh, this Mysore pak is really good.
हाँ। ये सुर में है, इसमें खुशी है, इसमें स्वाद है। वाह आई होप यू गाइज एंजॉय, क्योंकि मैंने तो बड़ा मजा किया। कुणाल, हाउ वाज इट?
It was fantastic.
Ah.
I'm just happy to meet you.
Yeah.
I'm happy to break bread with you. Quite honored.
एंड कुणाल, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि इतने सालों बाद एक ही शहर में रहने के बावजूद मैं कभी आपसे मिल नहीं पाया था। So I therefore when they offered me this, I said yes, I'm coming, and I'm very happy, and I hope to stay in touch.
Absolutely.
और कभी मिलते रहेंगे, कभी खाते रहेंगे, कभी यूं ही मिलते रहेंगे। बहुत खुशी हुई।
Thank you, sir.
ढेर
Thank you
सारा
very
प्यार।
much.
So the experience at Adeshwari Non-Veg in Matunga has been totally zone में। आइए सब फोटोग्राफ एक साथ रेडी, totally in the zone। सब लोग हैं? सब लोग हैं। All right। इसका कैप्चर करेंगे कोई? बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सबका। थैंक यू सो वेरी मच, अप्रिशिएट, बहुत सारा प्यार।